Hey guys, welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. So today it was mihlali and ndamase's little sister birthday. As you can see, there's a little bit of balloon there and there. So here is mihlali and ndamase's boyfriend Leroy Sidambe and mihlali and ndamase's mother. They were dancing and having fun, guys. There was a moment where Leroy was even showing mihlali's mom, now you have to go dance, showing kind of dance that those type of dance people normally dance. By the look of it, things these two guys are really have a strong relationship. As a mom, you need to support your daughter no matter what they do, right or wrong, guys. We don't know the situation. It seems like if the mom does not have a problem, then why should we have the problem at the end of the day? It is what it is. The relationship will gonna continue and continue. Hopefully this year it will be the first time Leroy is spending Christmas without his family. He will be spending with mihlali, obviously. But anyway, that is my two opinion. That was 2 cent opinion. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment.